Hello friends! So today I'm trying to remove my current hair color. I'm trying a method I haven't used in years, so I don't know if it's going to work well with the tones that are stuck in my hair. I have, my roots are kind of like a blue-green, and then they fade into a silvery shade. My hair is a mess, so let me show you. And then I have darker bits that like stayed a blue-green, mainly on the bottom. Yeah, we're just trying to remove this color. And the method I'm using is the baking soda method, so I'll show you how much I'm using to mix everything. Okay, so I have a 1/4 cup of baking soda. I have a purple shampoo. This is by Art Naturals. The only reason I have this one is because it's cruelty free. And then I have a Dandruff shampoo. This one is just by Selsun Blue. I have had this for years because I only use it when I'm removing color. And developer, I might use 20. I'm not totally sure. I know 10 volume will work, but I do have some darker bit. I think I'll just use 10 for now. Okay, so we have 10 volume developer and some gloves. And I'm just gonna start with the back of my head, because the back and the bottom, just because those bits are where I have a lot of darker spots and I want it to sit a little bit longer. Okay, so that's how much baking soda I'm using. And then I'm gonna put a little bit developer in, about half as much developer. Then I'm gonna mix it up before I put the shampoos in. Okay, I'm gonna squirt some purple in. The purple doesn't matter that much. I just know that that shampoo is a little stripping. Ooh. And then the Dandruff shampoo. So aside from the consistency, having the shampoo in there helps it spread nicely, because you can kind of suds it up a little bit to make sure you really penetrate the hair. I'm just gonna take some sections down and go for it. I really like to massage this mixture in. You don't want to be rough with it either. I see some people like go crazy. You're really just kind of massaging it in. I'm not too concerned about my regrowth, because I am going to go in and do that probably later today. Okay, now I'm gonna wait like 30 minutes, see where it's at. I like to remove the color as soon as I see it's gone. I don't like to leave it on for extra time, but you do you. That's just what I'm gonna do. So I will see you when it's ready. I'm gonna insert a picture of what it looked like when I washed it out. It had been 45 minutes and I didn't want to leave it on my hair for any longer. So I got out most of the color. It is a little bit green, which I figured would happen. So if I just get a warm toned blonde on top of it, it would cancel that out, no problem. But I have a dye coming in that I've never tried before. It should be here maybe Monday or Tuesday on my birthday, so I'm hoping I'll have a new color by then. And I'm gonna do my roots. As you can see, they lightened a bit. I'm gonna do my roots a little later tonight, and I'll come back to show you the final, you know, with everything dry, just so you can really see the color, because when this is dry, it's not at all noticeable. It honestly will probably look more platinum than green toned. So yeah, I'll do my roots later on and then come back to update you. Okay, so this is the final turnout of my hair with my roots done as well. There are still some green bits here and there, but it's nothing horrible. And I think I've changed my mind again for the color I want to do. I was originally going to do this shade from Lunar Tides hair, or Lunar Hair, and it's taking forever to get here, of course. So now I'm kind of thinking I want to do a silver shade. So that's probably what's going to be next. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day.